this magnificent, beautiful April 21st. I hope everybody had an amazing and marvelous Easter. I'm truly blessed to be here this beautiful, torturous Monday morning. Here we are on this excruciating trade on S&P 5 range. Price had reached reversal zone. What is it doing? It's struggling. What are we witnessing on the price? What has S&P done this morning? S&P staged bearish correction. To the downside, S&P reached decision point 1, and to the upside, S&P reached decision point 1. Will S&P finally find the juice to blast through this level? That's the magic of the price. It never ceases to amaze me. All you have to do is play by the rules. Will finally have the power to blast through this level? Don't know. Let's monitor. Let's trail carefully. Second target is here. 1860.50 is my trail, because when you see the combination of decision point 1 and reversal zone on your range charts, you have to respect this level. This is very important. If S&P blasts through all the reversal zones, we're migrating into a larger time frame. While we're monitoring S&P very carefully, because we know this still remains the most critical level we witness today. Will it find enough juice? We knew better this morning not to buy close to this level. We knew better this morning to patiently monitor for the selling pressure to finish. Just like we know better this morning not to touch the spectacular bullish rally on oil. Oil staged spectacular reversal when it reached reversal zone on April 17th. Today is April 20th. Oil collapse choose a tick from reversal zone, but it's giving us only a correction. Buying opportunity pre-market at 104. Oil struggled at decision point 1, giving a pullback pre-market for about 40 ticks, and finally blasted through, reaching the end of the major trend. So will S&P follow oil and blast through this level? This struggle had been unbelievable. We've been witnessing equivalent power between buyers and sellers. This is the decision moment. Here it is in front of you. Will the buyers find enough power to blast through? They will fly all the way to 1867. The magic of the price never ceased to amaze me. Rule-based trading remains the key. And the most essential component, always and forever, is you. Class starts this afternoon at 12:30 from scratch. Trailing S&P. S&P is struggling at reversal zone. This is the end of the rally on 5 range. Remember what we discussed. In order for rally to continue into a larger time frame, it has to blast through this level. We see the correlation of our guiding light 1 hour and 5 range level all the time. We knew that the struggle will be on. If price will not blast through, the sellers will show up once again. S&P is hanging for dear life. Exact same formula where oil collapsed from. Exact same formula where Amazon monthly collapsed from. Know where reversal zone is, and do not ever get tempted to acquire a position at that level. Make sense? Formula remains the same. S&P is struggling as we knew they would. That's the magic of the price. Nevertheless, the most important ingredient forever remains you. Market will tempt you, always and forever, to break the rules. And once you will start breaking the rules, ouch. But magic happens. Life, just like trading, is one spectacular habit. You either build a healthy habit, which is beautiful life and beautiful trading, or you build an unhealthy one. If you're motivated by long-term, peaceful career, you play by the rules and it becomes like riding a bike. If you're motivated by quick fix, nothing good happens. Quick fix in trading doesn't work. Markets move in corrections, which is what S&P had been doing since Friday 30 to 40% of the time, which means you have to patiently monitor the moment of truth. Will S&P finally blast through? Know your levels and know what not to enter into. Isn't price magical? Isn't it amazing confirmation that nothing in this world is random? So here we are, 3 points later, and S&P is struggling but showing the potential. How did we know that S&P will take a major pause here? Very, very simple. Know your levels. When you see the correlation of your guiding light 1 hour, if you're a day trader, with your range chart levels, you know it's a brick wall. You know to trail very, very carefully. Don't ignore that level. S&P hourly still did not blast through. And oil is sitting very pretty. This is just unbelievable reminder how essential it is to monitor these levels and to never ever 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 acquire position anywhere near this level. Getting tempted in markets does not work, so we see exactly what we expected on our trade on S&P 5 range. My trail is right outside of reversal zone. We are almost 3.5 points later. The long from 1859.50 reached absolute exhaustion at 1863. In order for price to continue into a larger time frame, it has to blast through reversal zone, which correlates with the end of the minor trend on hourly. And it ain't happening. Price is struggling, as we knew it would. The magic of the price continues playing out. Buyers and sellers continues to be equal. S&P is not able to blast through this level. We discussed that we expect a very bearish day potentially tomorrow. And this is the power of decision point 1 on daily. To the upside, the end of the minor trend reached, powerful shorting opportunity. To the downside, the end of the minor trend reached, pretty impressive rally that's taking a pause. Don't be surprised if tomorrow, day after tomorrow, sometimes very soon, or potentially today's close, we don't have enough volume. Spectacular bearish day. I'm counting on that. The moment of truth on S&P. 50 minutes later. Is the price blasting through reversal zone on 5 range and migrating into a larger time frame? Struggle had been unbelievable. The trail outside of reversal zone is not broken. Here we are, an hour later, and price struggled at this reversal zone immensely. The moment of truth. We are here 4 points later. And will the price blast through? If that's the case, it will fly all the way to 1867.75. So here we are. This is our 4th target. Pretty please respect this level highly. And remember, everything I do for demonstration purposes only. What you're witnessing on S&P the entire hour is what oil had been doing the last 4 hours. Oil correction is worthless and torturous. Oil showing potential blasting through, but I know better not to buy anywhere near this level. Rules remain the most important ingredient in your trading. And this been ultimate test of patience and discipline that played out beautifully. We didn't take corrective structure on oil. We took bullish inception of the trend at the end of the bearish correction. Our trades struggled endlessly, blasting through decision point 1, finally completed this rally only to dance for the last 45 minutes at reversal zone, 4 points later. Once you know how to play by the rules and trade pure price and Fibonacci, you can trade any instrument in any time frame. But only you know what's appropriate to you and your account size. Psychological comfort, patience and discipline remain the most important ingredient in your trading success. Adios everybody, 12:07 EST on this marvelous April 21st. Look forward to seeing you in class. Look forward to seeing you in trading room tomorrow morning. Ciao, kapao.